This is one of my favorite places to camp. This is right across the road from where you're kind of supposed to camp. This is just the view that I get to walk over to after I wake up when I'm camping here. There's an osprey that lives here. I saw a coyote this morning. There's a bunch of geese, obviously. There was a heron down there this morning. There's definitely cougars around here, but I haven't seen one exactly here. I saw one about half a mile away from here. But this is one of my favorite places to camp, and it's so private. Just thought I'd share this like beautiful piece with you this morning.